Hey there, folks. I'm Joe Crawford of artlearn.com. Pretty much every day I go to CSSBattle.dev, do the daily target, and record myself doing it. That's what I'm going to do right now. Oh, yeah. Let's go blank template. Oh, nope, nope, nope. Let's go nested template today. Okay. Which is the HTML element and the body element. And to start, I will put this light gray color. Set margins on the HTML element 30, 32, 90, 92. And then we've got, I think this is going to be 3 gradients. What are the gradients? Let's do the easy parts first. No, let's do the hard part first. Conic gradient first, which is how I'm going to do the little widget in the middle. So at 50 pixels, actually 50 pixels, 30 pixels, transparent, 75%, and then that color. It's not big enough. How about 100? How about 80? No. How about 80? About 90. 90, and then maybe 50. And then we move it with the background position. How about 50 pixels over and 100 pixels down? 90 pixels down. How about 60 pixels over? Okay, so the actual height and width. So the width is 80, height is 40. So that's part 1. Part 2. Let's do the circles. This is the medium difficulty part. So we'll do radial gradient, and we'll say at 30 pixels, 30 pixels, 1Q. Is that a square? We're going to see the white color, 30 pixels, and then transparent. So we see that circle. What we'd like to do is align that perfectly. So 35 and 35, I think. And then that radius is 30. We go 0, 0, and give it a width, 100 pixels. 100 pixels. How about 120, 130, and then 130? No, 130, 40, 50. So yeah, this is not a square. So in theory, we wouldn't need the circle or a numerical identifier here if this element was a perfect square. It is not a perfect square. That's what these numbers are telling us there. That's it. I have an impulse to make this a linear gradient, but I think that that's going to poke out if I do that. So let's try it. And I just want to make sure that I have that right. 90 degrees, this color, 20 pixels, and then transparent, 0. And we move it over 10 pixels, 20, 25, and see how that's poking out on the sides. Yeah, that's no good. We can't have that. So that's why we don't do it that way. So I'm going to copy and paste our conic gradient and make it 20 pixels over, and then not have a position. We'll have it be default. And then we move it to 5, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Let's submit and see if we're at 100% match, which is our goal. And I think we're done for the day. Waiting for the backend to return 100%. If we got it, we did. We minify, we unit replace, we submit. And that's how we do it. Hope you're doing well. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Go make a web page. I'll see you around. Bye.